Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is September 22, 2022, 9 p.m. and we're late as if there's something new. So I'm trying to do this new thing where the Notion is also on screen and we have this scenic relaxation video also playing on the screen so I can keep going side by side. Anyway, so today I woke up at 10. Usual alarms did go off, but in the morning it was raining and then anyway, so I slept till 10. 11:30 I was feeling kind of fresh though, so recently it's been a trend where if I do end up sleeping more, I kind of feel fresh, which is nice. It's good to feel fresh with having slept a little more hours once in a while, not every day. From tomorrow getting back to 5:30. Now 11:30 I started dressing the shop floor, final set of feedback, and more or less we're done with that set of feedback as well. Like few more nitpicked feedback there, probably we addressed very easily, not a problem. 2:30 I got on a call for the 3-year video discussion, and we did get to a point of noting down the steps that have to be taken to execute it. It's up to the team now for them to execute it, because for me the major concern now is on 3:15 I got on a call for the Tata AIG video, and that video is huge, and the person I was coordinating with, he requested if I could just show one version of the video by tomorrow. The video is seriously huge, and there's so much in it. From a creative standpoint, there is character animation in it, there is storyboarding and continuity with one sort of stroke running across the canvas, and then camera movement and camera tracks, and there's a 3D logo in the beginning, which I can just take the 2D logo and extrude it in After Effects itself. There's no actual 3D or anything there, but yeah, that is one thing. For tomorrow, just one version, I'm just probably gonna stitch the images, the slates together, and try doing something. Over the next 1 week, there's gonna be a lot of fun experimenting in this video, and there's a lot of creative freedom that I can take there. Other than that, there is pretty much nothing to document today. One of those days where the day just goes away in working, and there is no room for learning, there is no room for doing anything else other than just finishing the tasks that I've taken up. One thing before this I was starting is I do not want to just jump into, so basically what I want is through the canvas, right? Let's say this is the camera and this is the canvas, there's a null layer that's moving from here to there. What I need to do is I need to have this kind of, the design is this kind of thing. This needs to be moving across the screen, okay? At the edge it has this kind of a rounded thing, and then it's moving across here. So what I was trying to do is, if I just make a regular stroke inside After Effects and make it the length of the entirety, and then if I do a simple trim paths on it, and I take its end to here, and then I can keep moving it like this, okay? This is what I want to do. So it is moving, and instead of doing the position keyframe, and no, that's not gonna happen. That's a very manual and last case thing that I can do, but essentially I want the animation to be something like this. Now there'll be two things I have to figure here. One is obviously how do I recreate this sort of textured look. So I tried experimenting a bit with roughen edges and fractal noise. It doesn't seem to be doing what I wanted to do. So this is one thing I have to figure, how on a stroke what effects you can add. Probably research Jake in Motion's effects of After Effects and see which effect can make it look like a brush stroke of sorts, like that stroke of line. And I also need to somehow round the corner. I don't know, effects of After Effects is not something I have experimented much with, so this is one thing I have to figure out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's documentation. 5 minutes up, and that's it. Thanks so much for being in the What is this? Thanks so much for being in the I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.